flute tucked behind him. Mira, don't run, dance. Mira laughed, dropped her bag, and joined him. Together they splashed through puddles and danced like carefree clouds. Krishna pulled out a paper from Mira's bag and folded a boat. "Race you," he grinned. They set boats in the stream, cheering and blowing them forward. Mira caught Krishna cheating and splashed him. Later, they sat under a tree. As the rain faded, a rainbow painted the sky. "Let's follow it," Mira said. They ran, twirled, and fell into the grass, giggling. Mira's mom